Maruti Suzuki Swift has been one of the most iconic and best-selling hatchbacks in India for many years, and the 2026 version continues that legacy with a perfect mix of sporty design, modern technology, excellent fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. In India, the Swift has built a strong reputation among young drivers, families, and first-time car buyers who want a stylish yet affordable car with reliable performance. The new generation Swift keeps the same fun-to-drive personality while bringing several upgrades in design, engine efficiency, safety features, and connectivity technology, making it one of the most exciting hatchbacks in the Indian automotive market today. The first thing that makes the 2026 Swift special is its bold and sporty design. Maruti Suzuki has refreshed the exterior to make the car look more modern and dynamic while still keeping the classic Swift identity that fans love. The front of the car now features a redesigned grille with a sporty mesh pattern, sleek LED projector headlamps, and stylish daytime running lights that give the car a premium appearance on the road. The sculpted bonnet and aggressive front bumper add to the car's sporty character, making it look more powerful than before. From the side profile, the Swift retains its compact hatchback shape but now features updated alloy wheels and sharper body lines that enhance its aerodynamic look. At the rear, redesigned LED tail lamps and a clean bumper design complete the stylish look of the car. These changes make the 2026 Swift feel fresh, youthful, and appealing, especially for young car buyers in India who want a car that stands out in traffic. Step inside the 2026 Swift and the cabin instantly feels more premium and modern compared to older models. Maruti Suzuki has redesigned the interior with better materials, improved layout, and more technology. The dashboard now features a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing drivers to easily connect their smartphones for navigation, music, and calls. Higher variants get a large 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Jode infotainment display along with wireless charging, a multi-information display in the instrument cluster, and connected car features that allow users to monitor vehicle information through a mobile app. Maruti Suzuki has also improved comfort by offering features like automatic climate control, push-button start-stop, rear AC vents, and a height-adjustable driver's seat, which make daily driving more convenient and enjoyable. BBR Degree College Jorek. The seating layout of the Swift is designed to comfortably accommodate 5 passengers. The seats offer decent support for city drives and moderate long journeys, while the cabin provides adequate headroom and legroom for passengers in both rows. The boot space is practical enough for daily grocery runs, small luggage, or weekend trips. Maruti Suzuki has also worked on improving cabin insulation and ride comfort, making the Swift feel more refined while driving in city traffic or on highways. Performance has always been a key highlight of the Swift, and the 2026 version continues to deliver a fun driving experience. The car is powered by a new 1.2 Jackchin LITRE Z series petrol engine that replaces the older K series engine. This modern engine produces around 80 bhp of power and about 111 Nm of torque, providing a good balance between performance and efficiency. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual gearbox or a 5-speed and automatic transmission, allowing buyers to choose according to their driving preference. The engine feels smooth and responsive, especially in city driving conditions where quick acceleration and easy maneuverability are important. The lightweight design of the Swift also helps improve agility and fuel economy, making it a very practical car for everyday use in crowded Indian cities. HT Auto. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest advantages of the new Swift. The car delivers an impressive mileage of around 24.8 km per liter for the manual version and approximately 25.75 km per liter for the automatic version, making it one of the most fuel-efficient petrol hatchbacks available in India. For customers who want even lower running costs, Maruti Suzuki also offers a factory-fitted CNG version that delivers around 32.85 km, making it extremely economical for daily commuting. This excellent fuel efficiency is one of the main reasons why the Swift remains so popular among Indian buyers who want a stylish car with low running expenses. HT Auto Jorek. HT Auto. Safety has also been significantly improved in the latest generation Swift. Earlier models were often criticized for limited safety equipment, but the 2026 Swift now comes with 6 airbags as standard across all variants. In addition to airbags, the car includes important safety features such as ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. These upgrades make the car much safer for both drivers and passengers, especially for families who prioritize safety while choosing a vehicle. BBR Degree College Jorek. Another reason why the Swift continues to dominate the hatchback segment in India is its affordability. The price of the latest generation Swift starts from around 6.49 lakh rupees for the base variant and goes up to around 9.64 lakh rupees for the fully loaded top variant, depending on features and transmission options. This pricing makes the Swift a strong competitor in the premium hatchback segment, offering great value for money compared to many rivals. The car is available in multiple variants such as C, VXC, ZXC, and ZXC Jor, allowing customers to choose according to their budget and feature requirements. India today. Another important factor behind the success of the Swift is the huge service network and reliability of Maruti Suzuki in India. The brand has one of the largest service networks in the country, which means owners can easily find service centers even in smaller cities and towns. Maintenance costs are also relatively low compared to many other car brands, making the Swift a practical choice for long-term ownership. This reliability and low cost of ownership have helped the Swift build a strong reputation in the Indian market over the years. Driving the Swift is a fun experience thanks to its lightweight platform and responsive steering. The car feels easy to maneuver in narrow streets and heavy traffic, which is a big advantage in crowded Indian cities. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, allowing the car to absorb bumps and rough roads reasonably well. On highways, the Swift remains stable and confident, especially at moderate speeds. Many drivers appreciate the car's quick acceleration, smooth gearbox, and sporty feel behind the wheel. Technology also plays a big role in the new Swift. With connected car technology, drivers can check vehicle information, track location, and receive maintenance alerts through a smartphone app. The infotainment system supports voice commands, navigation, and online services, making the driving experience more convenient and modern. These features make the Swift feel like a much more premium car despite being in the affordable hatchback segment. The Swift has also become a cultural icon in India. Since its launch, millions of units have been sold, making it one of the most successful hatchbacks in the country. The car is especially popular among young buyers who want a stylish first car that is easy to drive and affordable to maintain. Over the years, the Swift has also developed a strong fan base among car enthusiasts who enjoy modifying the car with aftermarket accessories, custom wheels, and sporty body kits. The 2026 Swift continues to build on this legacy by combining style, efficiency, and technology in a compact package. It offers everything that most Indian buyers look for in a car: good mileage, reliable performance, modern features, and affordable pricing. Whether it is used for daily office commuting, family outings, or weekend drives, the Swift delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. In conclusion, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift remains one of the best hatchbacks available in India today. With its sporty design, efficient engine, modern features, improved safety, and excellent fuel economy, the car perfectly suits the needs of Indian car buyers. The Swift is not just a car but a symbol of reliability and youthful driving spirit in the Indian automotive industry. For anyone looking for a stylish, practical, and budget-friendly hatchback, the new Swift continues to be one of the most attractive choices in the market.